Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now, today I'm finishing the final phase of organizing or cleaning my patio for the summer. Now, today is where I put it all back together and make it look pretty. So, not doing a whole lot of drastic things to it, but I wanted to be able to get out there and enjoy it in the mornings before it gets 100 degrees or more here in Houston. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get to work beautifying my patio. Now that right there is for mosquitoes and bugs. We have two of them, one there and the other one I'm going to put out there by the pit. Now that's an ice cooler for drinks and things right there. As you see, the TV is over there. And then the seat area, let me get around so you can see the seating area. What I did was I put the original covers on the pillows, but I put ones I bought to change the color because I want them all to match. So here's the sofa and the back pillows for it, and then the chairs here. Now the only thing that is purchased new out here, guys, are the cushion covers. Everything else I already had. And then on the red chairs, the pillow, you know what, guys, the green pillow covers, they are waterproof, and the pillows, I bought them for outside. So those 4 pillows and pillow covers that you see, and then these taupe color or beige color pillow covers, cushion covers, excuse me, on the sofa and the chairs and the love seat, those are new. Everything else I already had in my stash. So everything here was already had, and I'm pleased to say the patio is officially finished and ready for company. So let me know what you think of the patio area down below in the description, and I will catch you in the next episode. Bye bye.